You have no money in your bank account, no problem. Here are 7 business ideas that require little money to start. Do you want to start a new business? Are you wondering how to find a profitable business idea? Thinking of creating an online store? Among the ideals for starting a business in 2022, it's hard to decide which ones are worth trying. Are you a student or an employee, and would you like to launch your business project? Are you the right person to choose entrepreneurship, but you still have a self-employed or corporate idea to start and then build a business plan? Before that, you need to answer several questions. What businesses are great for 2022? Am I going to freelance? Am I launching a startup? Do I start commercial activity on the internet? Which business to open with a small budget? With what business idea? What are new profitable businesses these days? I know, a lot of questions, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have all of the answers. Certain periods prove to be favorable to awaken the vocation of a business creator that lies dormant in some of us. The onset of an economic crisis, its share of uncertainty, the stories of friends left behind after years of loyalty to an employer, or simply the loss of the sense of belonging in your company. From one day to the next, the need to take control of one's destiny resonates as obvious. For some future bosses, taking the step is all easier when they've been there brooding over an idea for months, even years. But for others, the desire is there. The good idea is still long overdue. It is for them that I have listed these 7 innovative concepts unearthed abroad, but are still widespread enough. It's up to you to be inspired by it and become a successful entrepreneur. I will also address this issue of the female entrepreneur. Perhaps you're looking for a woman business creation idea or a woman self-entrepreneur idea. We'll get to that later, but any of the ideas presented in this video can be for you. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter with the ideas for starting a business. Let us know in the comments below if you have a business idea you're thinking about starting in 2022. Hit the like button, sub button, and bell button. Number 1, small budget business idea, dropshipping. You don't need to be Steve Jobs or Elon Musk style business to start up or break through an idea to be an entrepreneur. Every year, many people go into selling items online. According to the latest e-commerce figures, some countries exceed 100 billion euros back in 2019. So you can start an online dropshipping store and sell quality products that you find from suppliers and app, often in China. By promoting its products through social media or influencer product placements in your market, you're remunerated in the margin between the purchase price and the sell price. So you buy the product from your supplier only when it's sold, which allows you to sell without stock. Here's how drop shipping business model works, which can bring you significant revenue. The business project requires a lot of work, especially in the beginning, but little upfront investment to be successful. This is one of the most profitable business ideas if you know how to promote your products well and choose quality products and the suppliers. You can choose to do a drop shipping store wherever you are in the world. Thank you, Internet. Number 2, online business creation. Become a writer or a translator. Still in freelancing, you can very well offer your web or writing translation services. This is one of the best ideas for creating an easy business if you love to write or a business idea that you can do alongside another. For example, on Fiverr, many international companies are looking for translation of sites or localization of articles. Few people are still present in these kinds of platforms, so you may find it easier to find missions. Provided, of course, that you have a good command of English to ensure the quality of translation and to receive the right reviews. You can also do web writing. If you have a good style, for many small businesses looking to outsource their content production, indeed, companies must have a good blog to be able to be present online, and in particular on Google, so they need many pins to ensure the production. 3, offer training and ebooks. In the same vein, you can also write ebooks or white papers to offer them for sale. They have a real added value. This could be a list of influencers, an ebook or an internet strategy, sheet music, English lessons, and the list goes on. As long as the quality and the price of the entry is not very high, the files can sell without a problem. You can offer an ebook writing a business to which they'll pay more for this in-depth work than just writing an article. You can also get started with online training using one of the MOT's many platforms. More and more people are being trained each year, and many entrepreneurs are standing out as infopreneurs, like the dropshipper Pierre Elliott. You could start your own YouTube channel with free content first and then offer paid training once you've gained community and credibility. There are also online courses for any talent or activity, so you're bound to find a profitable business idea to start. 4, Affiliate marketing. While it takes time, you can also decide to become an Instagram or YouTube influencer, then receive money with product placements made on your network. If you are more into writing, you can start a blog to help promote your possible training, ebook, or coaching. If you're an expert in digital marketing, for example, you can blog out the latest trends in SEO or social media advertising. The blog will bring you more traffic to your site and also help rank you higher on Google. After you do that, you're now YouTube influencer or blogger, then you can form affiliate partnerships with brands. With these links that you share with your community, you earn a percentage of sales, company service, subscriptions, and you can receive good passive income each month if you negotiate multiple membership types. 5. Sell your creations on Shopify or Etsy. If you are more of the creative and do-it-yourself type that you like to create your own jewelry, objects, or decorations, you can very well decide to sell your creations on Etsy, a platform where you can eventually create your online store thanks to Shopify. Many entrepreneurs start this idea with creating a woman's business. It's now very easy to set up the micro enterprise from home. Having the ability to control virtually every aspect of the products you sell, you'll be able to optimize your quality, tailor them to an artist that markets demand, and have more profitable margins. Whether you choose to start in a marketplace or choose to start your own online store, selling your homemade products gives you the opportunity to share your passion with people who are making money while you're making money. Be careful, however, with regard to regulations of the governing of manufacturing of food and dermatological products. Here are some handcrafted products you can sell: candles, jewelry, cosmetics, works of art, soaps, and bath bombs. Decorative objects such as ceramic tableware and handmade rugs are particularly trendy. Foodstuff, clothes, etc. Also for men, if you're experienced craftsman or handyman, you consider converting your passion into a professional activity. And even then, if you need to create your products elsewhere in the studio, commercial kitchen, or workshop, you can probably store and sell them for your home. Don't be intimidated by making handcrafted products. Once you're ready to scale up, you can establish a process and hire new employees to assist in the production. Many tutorials are at your disposal to launch a business product and refine ideas for yourself. 6. Become a customer success manager remotely. Finally, you can very well start as a freelancer or a remote employee by becoming a customer success manager, and that is to say, customer service consultant. With the internet, brands need to respond to their customers 24 hours a day on several media forms, which requires a lot of hands, patience, and kindness. You can therefore find a job or go freelance or manage chat tools, calls, social networks, and companies, and you no longer need to be in a dismal call center to be able to do this job. You will find many of this offers assignments or positions on freelance platforms like LinkedIn. 7. Rent your parking space. The idea with 2 million underground parking spaces to rent, Parkopedia has become a benchmark in this field. But why not also rent your private parking space when you're away, whether for a day or for work or a vacation period? Here's how it works. Before the parkingmyhouse.com or Just Park app offers individual owners to parking spaces to park or rent them online. There's other platforms as well. It is free private rental companies, those who can own private rental parking lots. Professional parking operators pay 15% to the site they rent a space through this. P.S. These business ideas creations are available to everyone as long as you're motivated, open to learning, and ready to give your business project time to take off. Of course, starting a business with little money can be problematic. Every investment has its risks, and assessing these risks is essential for any business owner. So for those who are experienced in doing business, the more prudent step is to invest in knowledge. Which company will have the lowest cost of implementation and maintenance? Which company will generate the faster invoicing? These two questions are essential to minimizing the margin of doubt and error. To answer the first question, you have to remember companies that do not rely heavily on infrastructure and staffing. To answer the second question, an exercise in the imagination will be necessary, and to practice the service of entrepreneurship. The best is to carry out a market study and understand the reality of other companies in your niche. This wraps up today's video. I hope I helped enrich your business knowledge. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts about these business ideas. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, sub button, bell button. Take care of your pockets and loved ones, and I'll see you in the next one.